Hello, this is Brian Brock, Student Information Systems Administrator for Muscatine Schools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the section readiness using a method that's built directly into PowerSchool. In the bottom left-hand corner, you should find this PT Administrator link. Go ahead and click on that. You'll get this page come up. I'm going to make the text just a little bit bigger so you can see it a little easier. Use your mouse and just hover over this reports link up here. You don't have to click on it, just hover it, and then come down to section readiness report and click on that. The school should default to the only school you have access to. In this case, I'm going to pretend like I have access to Washington Elementary School. What I'm going to do here is change this to all. Now you can have the ability just to look at completed sections that have not been completed, or all. I like to do all. Make sure your school year is set properly, and then select the reporting term that we're interested in. So quarter 1 is ending right now, so I'll select quarter 1. Click the Run Report button, and in a moment, up pops a list of all of our sections, the teacher who teaches it, what the section is, and the verification status. Now you can browse this information right here. There's nothing wrong with doing that. You can tell it to display 25 or 50 or more results on a single page. What I like to do is just click this Export All Results link here, and what that does is it downloads a text file to your computer, and it happens to be a comma separated values file. So when you open that, it'll open in Excel, and you see here that my Excel has opened. Let me get back. So here it has opened in Excel. Now I might need to adjust the columns so I can read this a little bit easier. So if you've never done this before, you can just click this little space between the A and the 1 that highlights all your data, and then I'm just going to come over here to the first column separator line between columns A and B and double click, and what that does is it automatically fits all of the cells it adjusts their width to accommodate the largest amount of data in that column. So from here then I can sort by column H to see my verifieds and not verifieds. If the teacher has left me any comments, those will appear here in column I, and of course it also shows the verification date.